Before showing the application technique, let's go over the supplies. You'll find the rubber kneaded eraser is a very handy tool when using this technique. The harder erasers are also good for larger areas, as well as the tri-tip has wonderful angles and is very useful as well. The eraser pencil for finer details. It's important to brush off any of the tendrils of eraser that are left over. And then these brushes are great for the finer detail. I also really enjoy these makeup brushes. The bristles are so soft because they are for makeup, and they blend beautifully. And then this makeup brush with the angled tip is great for fine details as well as for creating wisps of hair. I'll be showing how to use these brushes in just a minute, and you'll see actually how they apply the paint to the paper. You only need a small amount of oil paint to start the process of this drawing, and what you would like to do is load your brush evenly with the oil paint and rub the oil off the brush so that you just leave the faintest amount evenly distributed within the bristles of your brush. I'm also doing this with this finer detail brush as well. And you'll find if you have too much oil in the bristles, it will leave a harder mark, which is best to be left towards the end of the painting or drawing. You can also add a little bit of oil back into the oil paint, and you'll have a much smoother glide to your application, but do try to choose an oil that is non-yellowing. For the best results, please do choose a good quality paper. In this case, I'm using a cold pressed watercolor paper by Aquarelle. Some artists really enjoy using the hot pressed paper, but the quality of the paper is important. I will show the entire process of creating this drawing in another video, but right here you can see I am applying a very light layer of the oil paint and then taking my rubber kneaded eraser and lightly tapping the oil back out to create the highlights. So thank you for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed the process. I hope you try this fascinating and wonderful technique yourself. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting new videos every week.